The course of the coronary sulcus. This is the sternocostal surface of the heart. This is right auricle and this is right atrium. This is right ventricle. This is left ventricle. This is left auricle. This is superior vena cava, ascending aorta and pulmonary trunk. Coronary sulcus starts in between right auricle and pulmonary trunk. It passes downward and to the right, and it crosses the inferior border, and it passes through the junction of the inferior border and right border. Then it goes posteriorly like this, and it passes between left atrium and left ventricle. Then again it came onto the sternocostal surface, and below the left auricle it passes, and in the left part of the pulmonary trunk is end. So the coronary sulcus is not a complete, it is a C shape like this. Like this.